Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for your SOUNDCORE Dot FreeEye. And firstly, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on, and now after that you can just click on your earbuds as a device list and we have connected. If it didn't help you, we should perform a soft reset, so put your earbuds to the charging case and then close the case. Now the earbuds are disconnected from your phone, and after that just open it to reconnect them. Here we go. If it didn't help you, we should remove and add this earbud. So click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds as a device list. Forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device. And now these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so we can see it as a device list and just click on it. And that's it. If all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that right here at the bottom we have this connectional button. Press and hold until this LED light starts flashing red 3 times. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and then we should remove it. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, don't forget to click pair new device on your Android, and now we again can see it as a device list, so just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!